Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to test the gaming performance of the new iPhone 12. So iPhone 12 comes with Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, and this is one of the really powerful devices out there. And you get a 6.1 inches Super Retina display on this iPhone 12. Now we're gonna test out the gaming performance of this device and also the battery drain happening. So right now you can see that it has a 78% battery, and we'll be testing the gaming performance, and we'll see how good the experience is. So we'll be playing a couple of games and see how much battery drain happens, and also what is the temperature rise happening. So before testing, let's see the temperature right now. So display temperature is 33.4 degrees, so that's the temperature. And on the back panel, let's see the temperature again, 33.6, so almost 34 degrees, so 34.1. So you can say that it is less than 34 degrees combined, even back panel as well as the display. Now we'll be playing a few games. First let's start with Asphalt 9. So here you can see that it is now 78% battery. So far you could see that the graphic quality is superb on the iPhone 12, and you can see that the overall experience is impressive on this device. So the Apple's A14 is a stellar performer in terms of gaming. I mean, you can actually see the graphic quality. It's in fact very good and rich in terms of graphic experience. So now we are done with Asphalt 9. Let's see the temperature. So 39 degrees, or rather 42 degrees, 43 degrees. It does go up to 43 degrees. So you could see around 43 degrees as well towards the center portion, and towards the camera area it's 42 degrees. So it did go up to 43 on the back panel, and let's see the display. Display is much lesser, around 39 degrees. So it went up to 43 degrees after Asphalt 9. Now next let's play CUD Mobile and see how good the experience is.
Sentry gun deployed. Enemy inside. Reloading. UAV online. Grenade! Changing mag. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy contact! Stealth chopper inbound. Friendly sentry gun deployed. Enemy contact. Reloading! Cover me! Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Reloading! Cover me! Hunter killer drone deployed. I got shot! Enemy contact. I'm hurt! UAV online. Reloading! Shoot back up! Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
Let's see the temperature. So after one round of COD, you can see it's gone up to 44.8. So there is definitely a temperature rise because you can actually feel the temperature. So it's gone up to 44.6. So closer to 44.6 it has gone. So you can even see 45 degrees. So there is definitely heating happening. With the maximum graphic quality, you can see that it is definitely having some heat of 45 degrees, and you can actually feel the heat on the display over a period of time. You can actually feel the heat. Now next let's also see the graphic quality on this game. You can see that the graphic we are set to do very high and max graphics, so that's the reason for higher heat dissipation, almost 45 degrees. So we can say it's definitely heating up with the best performance, very high and max. If you reduce it, probably you could get slightly lesser thermals. So that's we are actually testing with the max performance. So the performance looks really smooth, and the graphic quality is very impressive. So we'll just try one more game here.
Zombies incoming! Engaging the enemies! Using first aid kit now. Engaging the enemy. Reloading. Cover me. Engaging the enemy. Over here. Using first aid kit now.
So now we are done with the gaming. Let's see the final temperature. Again, you can see that around 44-45 degrees. So 45.3 it has gone. That's the maximum. 45.3. So it does have some heating here. You can see that near the Apple logo, you can see that around 45 degrees, and on the display it's lesser at around less than 40 degrees. So that's the temperature. You can see here almost close to 40 degrees is the temperature. So what you can see from the gaming experience is that it has a pretty good gaming experience overall. Graphic quality looks really good, but there is definitely heating happening because you can see that with high graphic you can actually feel the heating 45 degrees, but the graphic was really smooth, no stutters, no lags whatsoever, and extremely smooth performance. So if you're a gamer, you would be definitely loving the experience, except for the fact that it definitely feels some heat dissipated from this glass finishing, and you can actually feel that heat. So over a period of time you do get a bit of heating in the fingers as well. So that's the only issue, but otherwise the graphic quality was really good on the iPhone 12. Now let's see the battery. So it was 78%, so around 16% drop in around 40 minutes of gaming. So we started around 12:20. Now it's almost 40 minutes of intensive gaming, so 16% drop in around 40 minutes of gaming. So that is the gaming performances, heating, and also the battery drain on the iPhone 12. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.